So we are discussing about the functions of the blood. So this is what I discussed earlier: transporting respiratory gases, transport of digested food materials to different body cells, transporting hormones, and transport of nitrogenous excreted products like ammonia, urea, and uric acid, so that they can be transported to that is excretory organs like skin or that is lungs, or mainly to kidney, from where these nitrogenous products, or that is excretory products, are removed out. And it also helps in protecting the body against diseases. Okay, this is what we discussed earlier. And it acts as a buffer. Okay, buffer, it means it helps to maintain the acidity or alkaline nature of the blood. Okay, it should not become more acidic or alkaline in nature, so it maintains, okay, the balance. Not only that, even it maintains the constant body temperature. Okay, we are called homeotherms, that we have a constant body temperature. Okay, irrespective of the temperature in the outside environment, our body temperature, it remains same. Okay, so that is done by blood. So blood, it acts as a buffer, that is maintaining or regulating the pH. That is, it refers to, this pH refers to power of hydrogen, that is hydrogen ions, concentration of the hydrogen ions. And also it maintains proper water balance in the body. Okay, so these are the functions of the blood. So we will discuss now about blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three types, that is arteries, veins, and capillaries. So blood vessels are a network of branched tubes that transport blood. Okay, so blood vessels are for transporting blood. Okay, it cannot blood cannot simply flow in the body cavity. So blood flows through vessels, blood vessels. Okay, so blood vessels are a network of branched tubes so that blood can be transported. There are three types of blood vessels, namely arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are the thick walled and elastic vessels. They carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. Okay, arteries are thick walled but elastic in nature and carry blood from the heart to various parts of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Okay, so this is about arteries: thick walled, elastic in nature, carrying blood from the heart to various parts of the body. And all arteries carry oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Next one, it's about veins. Veins are thin and non-elastic vessels. Okay, unlike arteries, veins are non-elastic, same time thin walled also. Okay, a reverse of what we discussed about arteries. Arteries are thick walled and elastic, but veins are thin walled and non-elastic. That transports, that is, veins transport blood to heart. That is, from to the heart from the different organs. So in this way also, veins are different from arteries, that blood is carried to the heart. Okay, veins bring blood to the heart from the different organs, but arteries, on the other hand, carry blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. Okay, I am repeating. Veins, that is, bring blood to the heart from various parts of the body. Okay, on the other hand, arteries carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. Okay, all veins carry deoxygenated blood. Like arteries, which carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. Here also an exemption is there, that is, except pulmonary vein, that carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. There also an exemption we have learnt, that is, pulmonary artery, that carries deoxygenated blood. Here, pulmonary vein, that carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. About capillaries, they are narrow tubes formed by branching of arterioles, which then unite to form the venules and veins. Okay, capillaries, actually they are narrow tubes. They are formed by the branching of arterioles. Arterioles are the minor branches from arteries. So arteries form capillaries, and capillaries reunite to form venules, then finally into veins. Okay, this is the way blood vessels are formed. There are about 8 millimeter, that is, sorry, micrometer in diameter. This refers to mu. Okay, it is called this symbol, it refers to mu, that is micrometer. That is one part in million of 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter, if it is divided into million, that one part, okay, that is called that is micrometer. Okay, it is referred like mu m. This is mu and it refers to meter. Okay, micrometer. So it is about 8 micrometer in diameter, so small. Okay, capillaries are formed of single layer of endothelial cells. Capillaries are formed of single layer of endothelial cells. So this is about the differences between arteries and veins, what we discussed already. So this is the characters that is mentioned here. Okay. So pure blood, what type of blood? Arteries carry pure blood. The pure oxygenated blood, rich in nutrients, are carried by arteries. On the other hand, veins carry impure deoxygenated blood, rich in waste materials, carried by the veins. And walls, about walls of the arteries and veins. Arteries walls are rigid, thicker, and highly muscular. In veins, walls are thin and collapsible walls. Okay, collapsible. Okay, the walls of the veins are thin and collapsible, but here in arteries, walls are rigid, they cannot be easily collapsed. Body location, they are deeply situated within the body. Arteries are present deep inside the, that is inside the body, but veins are superficial, peripherally located closer to the skin. Veins are present very closer to the skin. We can feel the presence of veins. Okay, on the upper arm. Okay, hand also you can see. Okay, on the hand. Okay, upper surface of the hand, that is you can see that. See the, that is you can feel the presence of veins. And color is, arteries are red in color, veins are blue in color. The direction of the blood flow. Okay, why red in color? It is yeah, oxygenated blood, more of containing more rich in oxygen, so red in color, and more of carbon dioxide, so veins are blue in color because they carry impure blood. Veins carry impure blood or deoxygenated blood. And direction of the blood flow, arteries carry blood away from the heart. This is what I discussed, to various parts of the body, and veins carry blood from the various parts of the body to the heart. And flow pressure, pressure is high as the blood flows by the pumping pressure of the heart. Usually pressure inside the arteries will be high, but pressure inside the veins will be low. Okay. And oxygen levels are quite higher in arterial blood, and oxygen level is low compared to arteries. In veins oxygen level is low, but in arteries oxygen level is high. Okay, so with that we have discussed about discussed about differences between arteries and veins, and in the next class we will discuss about other informations. Thank you.